You guys. Okay. Let's start this with, I know you guys have heard me talk about how I prefer favorites at the end of a month versus hauls or unboxings. But since a lot of you are already asking me, because it's September and everyone knows what happens in September, every planner company releases their new line for the next year. So everyone wants to know, what am I going to be using? Am I going to stick with the HOBONICHI, which I did and do love? I am still in her. I haven't really been in her a whole lot in the daily pages, but that could be because my brain has been so focused on so many other things. It's been a hard season for me recently, but I thoroughly loved the HOBONICHI. I have decided, and I'm not going to go into all the details, but I've decided that the HOBONICHI is not going to be for me for 2022. And I really debated, do I go back to the Passion Planner, which you guys know, I have used the Passion Planner more than any other planner ever. I think I have 4 upstairs, which is where I keep all my planners. And yet, which this could totally change. Literally tomorrow, I could go onto Passion Planner's website and order a planner. But I really felt called to go back in time to my very first planner that I ever fell in love with, which is what I'm going to unbox right now. I will say, this is not a 2022 planner. I did get an undated for the sole purpose, and I could be wrong because I haven't used them in, like 5 years. I think all of their actual dated planners have a Sunday start. And if you like a Sunday start, that's awesome. I'm just a person who, I prefer a Monday start. That's just who I am. Okay, I'm gonna try to unbox this without showing you guys my address and without needing a knife, because I'm just now realizing I do not have a knife, but it looks like it's gonna be simple. Okay, I'm curious to know, those of you that have watched me for a while, if you could guess or did guess after I unboxed this which planner I decided to go with for 2022. I'm curious. I mean, I already said it wasn't the HOBONICHI and it wasn't the Passion Planner. So you guys know that. I'm curious to know if any of you guessed right after watching. I'm so excited. You guys don't even know how excited I am. I think probably because it's the first one I ever fell in love with. It could also be because I am actually, well, I'll show it to you before I go into all those details. Are you ready? Drum roll. I am going to be using the Law of Attraction Planner for 2022. And in addition, I think the only time I really talked about my setup was, there was a video that I did, and it was all about the journals that I was currently in. And I had this planner, which is how I plan on using it again. I had the Law of Attraction Planner stuck in a composition notebook size traveler's notebook that someone that I knew had made for me. I will try to find, I don't think she does them anymore, but if she does, her name has changed a couple times, her business name. I will try to find it, but I love it. I got the natural and it has been through a lot. It has been out in the sun with me. I have actually anointed it with oil. And I used to use it with the first time I got it, I used it with the Law of Attraction Planner in it alongside the Moleskine extra large Cahiers notebooks for other projects. And that is how I'm currently planning to use this Law of Attraction planner alongside some Moleskine Cayes. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I decided to go with, I don't know why it looks kind of like cloudy. I did clean my phone camera thingy before I went and videoed. I got the roses. Aren't they so pretty? So I got the roses for a couple reasons. One is because it reminds me of romance, and I'm the wild, sexy life chick. I mean, come on. Also, I am going to be, for Nano, this will be a whole nother video, but I have some exciting stuff I'm gonna be doing for Nano, which is inspired, I can't really tell you a whole lot before, like without going into it, but roses are a part of it. So it goes along with that. And my cousin, who I love so very much, I'm not sure if she watches my channel, but I love her. She just had a baby and her middle name is Rose. And she talks about on Instagram how sacred it was that they named her Rose, and it just warmed my heart. So when I saw the roses, I knew that this was going to be my planner, and it feels amazing. You guys can see that I'm already touching it. This feels better than this, let me just say, but I love it. So the news is out. That's what Heather's going to be using in 2022. I love that when you open it, you immediately see goodies. All right, so we have 10% off coupons that I won't be using. So if you want to get a Law of Attraction planner, hit me up and I will give you the code. Oh, it says give this card to someone you love. Okay, well, and they're all the same. So let me tell you guys, because I love you guys. You can use the code LOA10OFF. So LOA, like Law of Attraction, 10 off. There you go. Alrighty, thank you for your purchase. So sweet, so sweet. A cute little note that I will read later. Stickers. This is the deluxe version. And it was actually on sale. It's a 12-month journey to creating a dream life. It is undated, so that will be kind of a pain, but I'm not so worried about it. It comes with stickers, 2020 and 2021 stickers, I guess, to put, since this is not dated, I'm assuming that it doesn't have, like a lot of planners have the past years, and perhaps that's what that's for. More stickers. I have not used the Law of Attraction planner in forever. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This is not to like convince you guys to get one. It's just to let you know what I'm working with. One of the things that I did really love about the Law of Attraction planner, and I did use it in the Passion Planner, is it walks you through like a map, a road map to get to your dreams, but you also have all this information. It is literally like reading a book or a workbook. You also get to list your 50 goals in all areas of your life. I love workbooks. I was one of those weird people that loved school. And so I love all of this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Get to create a vision board. It's just like so fun. And then let me just show you a weekly. So you have the monthly, just like in a Passion Planner. This is about the size of a medium. I think they call it the medium Passion Planner. This is I think it's a B5, I think is what the size is. But yeah, so you have a monthly. You have the monthly, and then all the goals and stuff that you want to make. And then you have your weekly. So it's laid up. I love the vertical weekly layouts. You also have a habit tracker. I love that. It goes right along with how I was using the Passion Planner and how I was using the Hobonichi. And then at the end of the month, you also get a reflection page. I love it. I'm excited to be back in. I will say, based on experience, the paper quality is not as good as the Passion Planner. So, like in my Passion Planner, I did a lot of like watercolors. Oh, and it also comes with a cute bookmark with affirmations on it. No, this is a 10-minute morning manifestation routine, and it walks you through a manifestation routine. It's so cool. Anyhow, there is also a lot of, so after you get to the back of the month section, you have pages for ideas. And then you get into the new month. Anyhow, the paper quality is not as like smooth. It has more texture to it, I would say. And I mean, I should test I'll test watercolor in the back just to show you guys so you can see what I'm talking about. It also does come with, let me show you, this much extra dotted pages. And then it also has examples on how to use the planner with actual like vision board images, how different people fill out the planner. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So I will do some watercolor like splatters. I will do a pen test of different things just so you guys can see, if you are interested, how it compares. It also does come with a map in the back, and you have a pocket, and you have your strap for closure, and you also get a pen loop, which the Passion Planner does not come with. I always put my own on there. So this answers so many of your questions that you have messaged me. If you have messaged me about what I'm using for 2022, this is the plan alongside Moleskine Cahier notebooks for specific things because I need more space to work on certain goals that I have for 2021. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys understand this unboxing has no way to do with like getting you guys to buy stuff, but this is answering your question of what planner I plan on using for 2022. This is it. And it was a lot cheaper than the Hobonichi. All right, talk with you guys later.